Do you want to know how to make these delicious waffles? Well, if you stay to the end, you'll know how to make them for breakfast tomorrow. Welcome back. My name is Monty Brennan, and today we'll be making some awesome waffles. If it's your first time here, please click that red subscribe button down below and leave a like. You're going to want to start by adding your flour to a large mixing bowl, and then add your sugar and your salt, and finally your baking powder. And just give that a quick whisk through. Then go on and add your milk and your oil, your eggs, and your vanilla extract, and whisk that through also. You can do this by hand or with a machine. You're going to want to turn your waffle iron on and then spray with some non-stick spray. Once it is ready, you can start scooping in your waffle batter. Make sure to do it quickly so they all cook evenly. Then I like to do a little bit in the middle just to fill any spaces which might not have been filled. And once you are done, you can get your favorite ice cream, put a scoop right on top. You can add some chocolate syrup, some cookie crumbs, and even some caramel. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.